Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was doing some cleaning up back here, pruning and stuff like that, and cleaning. My palm tree has seeded, no, flowered. The palm tree flowered and it's shedding on its flowers everywhere. So I'm doing some cleaning. Charlie, what are you doing? Anyways, and then I was cutting these off, and I was thinking that I would make a video showing an easy and fast way to propagate your succulents. This is the time where many succulents will be flowering, and they shoot out a stem like this with a bunch of little leaves and flowers. These flowers are beautiful, but they do attract amphibs. Amphibs are not good for your plants, so you might want to cut those off. Some people cut them off and put them in a vase as a little arrangement, or add it to an arrangement in water just for aesthetics. But these leaves here, let me just show you real quickly. These leaves here, you want to keep them because they can produce succulents just like this. And I didn't do anything to it. I really just grab them and throw them around my garden in areas where I've seen that they naturally fall and start to grow plants. So that's what I'll do. I'll throw it on my rocks. I'll throw it on top of a shelf in the greenhouse where it doesn't get direct sunlight, and I'll check on it. And then when it's ready to be propagated, let me just show you. When it's ready to be propagated, I'll put it in soil. So right now, this plant will live off of the leaf, and it gets all the nutrients. But if you want to, this is a good time to lay it on a little bit of soil, and they'll be just fine. And I've had times where I just leave it alone, and then when the leaf is all dried up, I plant it. It's really up to you. You might get better chances to plant it once it's like this. Just lay it on top of soil, and the roots will start to go in. So let me show you a couple more that I need to put. Here I have quite a few, and here look at the ants. The ants are on it, and the ants might bring mealybugs too. But the ants, I believe, I'm not sure if ants work together with amphibs, but this one's full of ants. This one doesn't have anything yet, but will eventually. And then let's see, this one has ants, so I will be trimming all these. I want to see if there was one with amphibs on it. Hold on, let me just really have it focus on there. See, so those are just ants, and ants they can be a problem when you see ants around succulents. Usually if there's ants, there could be mealybugs, because they farm the mealybugs, because the mealybugs produce a little sweet nectar that they like to eat. So they take care of the mealybug, because the mealybug feeds them and gives them the sweet nectar, and they bring them and farm them onto the plant. It's a teamwork thing. But anyways, I don't see any amphibs, but I'm still going to cut them off because I don't want any of this to bring mealybugs or amphibs. So here are all the leaves that I got out of my stems. These are all the leaves that can be propagated. And then, like I said, what you can do with the leftover little plants here, you can just put them in water and enjoy them inside, right? 'Cause you really don't get to enjoy them inside and enjoy them. These, they grew a little wonky, so I don't think I can use these, not even in the smaller one, because it won't reach the water. And in order for it to last a good amount of time, you want it to be in water. But anyways, this is really cute. I wanted to show you another. Here's another kalanchoe that you can cut and use. This flower, you could put it in there if you want. This one's already past its time. All the little flowers are falling. But this will also, you can still grow this. So you could take this whole stem and stick it back in the soil, or remove the little leaves, and little plants will grow off the leaves as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video about propagating your succulents. A few easy ways, and enjoying the little flowers before they get full of bugs anyways, because that's what happens with them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and have a blessed day.